Hi, everyone. About a minute on more positive news out of the nuclear sector as Sweden and South Korea announced plans to increase the size of their nuclear fleets. I've talked about this before on this channel about the momentum in the nuclear sector, and it's all been very positive and very encouraging. All across Europe, we've seen governments, including Estonia, Britain, Poland, announcing ambitious plans for nuclear power. This is due in part, of course, to Russia's invasion of Ukraine and high natural gas prices. But on Wednesday, the Swedish government, the new center-right government in Sweden, announced that they are going to propose a new law that would increase the number of reactors that are permitted to be built in Sweden. This is due to what they're talking about there as for energy security and as a result of high electricity prices. Today, Thursday, the South Korean government announced they're planning to scale back their plans for renewables and increase their investments in nuclear power. And their aim is to have 1/3 of their generation capacity coming from nuclear power by 2030. That's just 7 years from now. So the combination of these moves by Sweden now just recently and South Korea this week add momentum, a lot more momentum to the global nuclear resurgence. There are a lot of challenges still to be overcome. We're going to have to mine more uranium. Here in the U.S., Canada, Kazakhstan are the obvious places. We're going to have to enrich that uranium so we can turn it into usable nuclear fuel. We're going to need to improve supply chains. We're going to need to improve manufacturing. We're going to have better international cooperation on regulation and financing. These are still major challenges, but these announcements this week just add more momentum to the nuclear sector, and it's very welcome. There is no way to address CO2 emissions globally without big increments of new nuclear power. Okay, thanks for following me. Follow me on Substack if you would, robertbryce.substack.com. Thanks a lot. See ya.